Let's do a quick unboxing of a Redmi A7 Pro. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside, what accessories do we get, and of course how the phone looks like. So once we open the box, first we have our phone. Let's take it out. There we go. And then in here we also have this additional section where we can find the eject tool on the reverse side. Here we can also find the USB cable, and it is USB-A to USB-C. And besides that, we can find a bit of papers and some documentary. So over here we have the safety information. Here is the quick start guide and warranty card, and the additional information card made for European Union. And that is pretty much all we get inside. So unfortunately, there is no protective case included inside of the box. Also, there is no power adapter, at least in the European version, of course, and on the European market. Very likely, the power adapter is included on other markets, but unfortunately not in this case. So of course, if you want to make sure, or if you want to check if you have power adapter or not, you can take a look at the back of the box. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave it on this side now, and let's take a look at the phone. So I have chosen this beautiful green color, light green actually, with some interesting shapes and stuff at the back. It shines pretty nicely. So of course we have cameras at the back and the flashlight. Now if we take a look at the right side, then over here we can find our power button and volume buttons. On the left side we can find the SIM tray. At the top there is nothing. And if we take a look at the bottom, we have the USB-C port, we have speakers, microphone, and 3.5mm headphone jack for wired headphones. So this is how it looks like. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.